Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're bird hunting today and we've already got birds because the last video I messed up, so we tried. There's one sitting right in front of me. Can't quite see him yet. Dang it. There we go. He's sitting in here somewhere, I just don't see him. What the? Y'all didn't see him? I don't think. Y'all might have seen him, but by the time I showed y'all, he was like almost gone. So if y'all did see, oh, there's another one right there. Why are they all coming from over here? Yeah, I think it's both. I see one up on that tree right there. See him, y'all? That little white speck on my shoe. Oh, he flew. We'll keep looking. Okay. I'm gonna have to put an end to this video, probably, because not much happening. I ain't seen much like I did this morning. So, bye.